Now let's demonstrate how the diatonic chord series will provide the same pattern in another major key, G major. Remember, a G major scale is G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. So we'll be using these notes to build the chords. Chord 1 starts on G and has the 3rd and 5th B and D above it. The middle note B is 4 semitones above the root, 1, 2, 3, 4, which makes this a G major chord, G, B, D. Chord 2 starts on A and adds the 3rd and 5th C and D above it. The middle note C is 3 semitones above the root, 1, 2, 3, which makes this an A minor chord, A, C, E. Chord 3 starts on B and adds the 3rd and 5th above it, D and F sharp. The middle note D is 3 semitones above the root, 1, 2, 3, which makes this a B minor chord, B, D, F sharp. Chord 4 starts on C and has the 3rd and 5th E and G above it. The middle note E is 4 semitones above the root, 1, 2, 3, 4, which makes this a C major chord, C, E, G. Chord 5 starts on D and adds the 3rd and 5th above it, F sharp and A. The middle note F sharp is 4 semitones above the root, 1, 2, 3, 4, which makes this a D major chord, D, F sharp, A. Chord 6 starts on E and has the 3rd and 5th G and B above it. The middle note G is 3 semitones above the root, 1, 2, 3, making this an E minor chord, E, G, B. Finally, chord 7 starts on F sharp and has the 3rd and 5th above it, A and C. This is the diminished 7th chord, which we'll look at in a future video. The 7 triads that belong to G major are therefore chord 1, G major, G, B, D. Chord 2, A minor, A, C, E. Chord 3, B minor, B, D, F sharp. Chord 4, C major, C, E, G. Chord 5, D major, D, F sharp, A. Chord 6, E minor, E, G, B. Chord 7, F sharp diminished, F sharp, A, C. Let's compare this diatonic chord series to C major. Chord 1, C, E, G is C major. Chord 2 is D minor, D, F, A. Chord 3 is E minor, E, G, B. Chord 4 is F major, F, A, C. Chord 5 is G major, G, B, D. Chord 6 is A minor, A, C, E. And chord 7 is B diminished, B, D, F. We can see that the relationships between the chords are the same. Major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. Pause the video here and practice the triads in G major and in the key of C major. In this video, we've discovered that no matter which major key you are in, the diatonic chord series will always follow the pattern of major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, and their relationships to each other will sound the same, making it easier for us to improvise. We can use the chords in a series to build a chord progression for a piece of music. A chord progression is the order in which the chords are played. Let's say we're playing in 4/4 time. That means our pulse, the heartbeat of the song, is grouped in 4s, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We could choose a different chord from our diatonic chord series every 4 beats. How quickly we choose to change our chords is known as the harmonic rhythm. We know that our diatonic chord series in C major goes C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and then back to C major. So I'm going to randomly choose 4 different chords for every 4 beats. I'll choose chord 1, C major for the first 4 beats. Then I'll choose chord 5, G major for the next 4 beats. Then I'll choose chord 6, A minor for the 3rd set of 4 beats. And finally, chord 4, F major for the final set of 4 beats. That will sound like this. C, 2, 3, 4, G major, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F major, 2, 3, 4. I could change the rhythm of my chords, playing them every 2 beats. C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, every beat. C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. See if you can build your own chord progressions using the triads belonging to the C major diatonic series, and then also try the G major diatonic series as well. The more you practice this, the easier you'll find it to improvise your own chord progressions. You could even work out the chords that belong to D major. Next time we'll look at how to make these chords sound even better, and we'll work towards bringing a melody into the mix as well.